Alright, welcome back guys. So in this video of the number project, we want to focus on division. So we already have the function that does multiplication, we have the function that does addition, we also have a function that does subtraction, and they pick random numbers out of the range that I selected. I saved the division for the last one because it's probably going to be the more complex of the other three operators. But if you want to see multiplication, addition, and subtraction, you can see that in the previous number project 002. So let's begin. So as you may know, I created a multiplication matrix. Just pull up the project real quick. In this random equation class. Alright. This is the multiplication matrix I'm referring to. And the reason why I did that was because I didn't want odd combinations of numbers. Say, for example, if the random.range say 0 to 12, I wouldn't want a particular situation where 7 divided by 5. We don't want that. Nope. We don't want a situation. See, it's formatting as a date. Even this spreadsheet doesn't like it. Oh. Even the spreadsheet doesn't like it. It's trying to format as a date. But we don't want that. And so I just created this dummy multiplication matrix. This is a tiny portion. And so what I would want is that I want my program to navigate through the multiplication matrix, grab a number, say this 15. And then once it grabs this 15, I want it to backtrack, say, hey, this is 5 and 3. 3 and 5 makes 15. So how's this going to work? So we have a top number, we have a bottom number, and then we have correct answer, which is going to appear in the options below, but it's going to be random order. So if it navigates through the multiplication matrix and it chooses 15, that's going to be the top number. The bottom number can be, once again, it's going to be random again, but it's going to backtrack based from that 15. So either back to the top row of the matrix and grab the value there, or to grab the column. Or grab that 3. And so we can set it, we say 15, the operator's division, the bottom number, so it's 5. So one of the correct answers should be 3. Say the same thing for, say we got 21. Just copy this again. Say the top number is 21. Top number is 21. Bottom number 7. Because based off the top column for that particular number, that's what we're going to use as the bottom number. And once again, the right answer, or one of the options that should pop up, should be a 3. So if we get a 20, 20 is the top number. 10 is the bottom number, one of the correct answers should be 2. And that's sort of the gist of what I'm trying to accomplish with this algorithm. So the top number can never be any one of these. These are potential. This row is for bottom numbers only. The top number for division would only consist of these numbers. So it wouldn't be the leftmost column, and it wouldn't be the topmost row. And so that's what I'm trying to do today. All right, so let's go to Unity. Okay. So we got create random multiplication, that's good. Create random addition, that's good. Create random subtraction, that's good. Create random quotient. I won't call that, I call it division. All right. So we can copy the same code. All right. But actually, we should take from this create random multiplication. All right. I'm going to go to operator class. If anyone know the shortcut to collapsing all the code section, all the functions, that would be very helpful. You can put it in the comment section. I don't know if I need a start function, but I'll just leave it there for now. But I definitely won't need that update. So we're just going to comment this out because we're only going to be testing division for now. Okay, so it's gonna, I never spoke much about this class, but basically it just picks a random operator based off this array. And so when I decrease the size of the array, when it chooses a random operator within this array, since it only has one, it's only going to choose that one. All right, so now the random operator is set to division. Now the multiplication matrix. Once again, we don't, it's got multiplication matrix 0. So right now it's going to be grabbing values from this top row. We do not want that. So I'm going to put a random range. Range 1 and 13. Right? Because we don't want to grab any of the values on the top row. We want it to grab starting from here. We also don't want it to grab any of these, but anyway. And so 1, this would be the first row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right. So the max range value that it can hit is 11. All right. So what about the column? Is the column good? We just want 1 to 12 as well. All right. So far what that random function is going to do is only going to grab these type. Ooh, that's pop out, right? These type of values, like in the middle after the 0. And that's what I'm looking for. And come to think about it, I actually wanted to start from 0, 1, 2. I'd want to start from 2 and not 1. Start 2. Alright. That's the top number. Now the bottom number is going to be, so 0 is going to grab from the top row. That's correct. So the top row is fine, but the bottom number, so what I'm going to do, int column number equals 0. Well, int column number equals random range 2 to 12. Right? The bottom number is going to equal this. Alright? Just going to pick any of these numbers from that. Alright. Just looking sure to make sure that's all good. It looks like it's all good. But just to be safe, I don't think we need this function anymore. Just to test it. I'm going to uncomment out this update function. I'm going to the code that was in the update function. So Control K, then Control U. Print. Let's do this. On top number. Top number equals take that. And then int bottom number equals alright, it's complaining about the code because I don't have proper semicolons. Alright. Is that good? What do you... Oh, yep. So the issue that's running into here is that I have top number already defined as text, but because of the scope of the top and bottom number within this function, it's calling that. And there is no top number dot text in the int class. So it's simple fix. I just need to give it a different name value. Okay. And that's fine, that works. Right? It's still complaining. Print top number top number value, then print the bottom number plus bottom number value. All right. And you're still complaining. It's because I can get rid of that. Just call this function here. There you go. That's all cleaned up. So let's try it. Run the code. We can look at the inspector here. The console, sorry. Unpause the game. Top number 44, bottom number 4. That's good. Top number 27, bottom number 3. That's good. Top number 24, bottom number 2. The right answer isn't. These right answers aren't good, but these values are good. The options doesn't look good, but the values in the console looks good. Good. All right. Top number 20, bottom number 2. How do I know it's 2 again? Because it's the commands are collapsed, and so it shows up twice instead of a 2 next to it. All right. Whoop. All right. Top number 30. What's the bottom number? Bottom number 3. All right, that's good. Top number 10, bottom number 5. Top number 6, bottom number 2. Top number 35, bottom number 7. This is good. Top number 33, bottom number I'm going to guess is going to be a 3. Ah, right there. It pops up right there. 44, 35, 36, 6, 35, 7, 48, 120, 10. That's good. 132, 11. Wonderful. 66, 11. 16, 2, 16, 4, 90, 99, 72, 8. All right, I think that function works exactly how I wanted it to. All right, I'm going to stop that right there. So now that we know, I'm going to comment out that code. Control K, Control C. Right. And then this update function. Control K, Control C. Alright, that's good. So let's run it again, but this time we're going to look at the options. So we're going to be interacting with the menu. So 1 divided by 12. That's not good. 5 divided by 0. Oh my goodness. 12 divided by 7. What in the world? Okay. Back up. I know what the problem is. That threw me off for a second, but I figured it out. So we created this new function, but we haven't plugged it up to be called from anywhere. And so as far as the game manager is the one that calls, is the class that calls the function whenever the operator is chosen. It's in this function here, setup new equation. And so when the operator is set to division, right, in case random operator's division, then it's going to call a random equation create random multiplication. We don't want that anymore. That's why we're getting those weird numbers, numbers being divided by 0. So I'm going to change this function, create random division. It's complaining about that. It's void, it's public. What about it that you don't like? Double parentheses, rookie mistake. Okay. So let's get started. So I'm going to push out division. 80 and then 8, good. 40 and 8, 5, good. 65, 60 and 5, that's good. 4 and 2, that's good. 10 and 5, that's good. 16 and 4, that's good. 20 divided by 5, 4, that's good. 24 divided by 8, 3, that's good. 56 divided by 8, that's 7, that's good. 63 divided by 9, that's 7. 88 divided by 8, 8. 99 divided by 11, that's 9. 21 divided by 7, that's 7. 54 divided by 6 is 9. All right. That works. All right. So in the next video, we're going to look at this timer. I'm going to stop it right here, but that's the division. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, like and subscribe. If you have any questions or suggestions, put it in the comments below. Thank you.